All for the gram. Roxanne, Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night. Goddamn, Roxanne, never gonna love me, but it's alright.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are well, hope you guys are good, hope you guys are staying safe. So obviously we're currently in lockdown, quarantine, all of that. A bit of time to just like take care of my car, make sure it's fine. I've had a lot of things that I had to get done to my car, MOT test, all of that. Long cash loss. Don't get a car. If you're looking to get a car, just don't get a car. But at the end of the day, I love my car. Like, I wouldn't exchange it or want any other car but the car that I have. So it's like a love-hate relationship. So as you can tell from the title, I'm doing a completely different video to what I usually do. I just thought I was gonna do this, and I thought let me just film it, because you never know, someone might actually want to do the same thing that I'm trying to do. And this is my first time ever doing this. I'm gonna be putting a rim blade around my rims. Don't know if that makes sense. A rim tape around my rims. Let me show you guys. It should look like this. So my rims there, and then the blue tape. I've decided to do blue because my car has like blue accents to it, so I just thought, you know, why not. Let me show you guys what I get in the package. I'm gonna put the link down below of where I got it from. It was $24.99, I think. Wasn't that bad. So in the box, comes like this. Comes with like instructions. Comes with wipes, cleaners, to just make sure obviously before you apply it, it is clean so that it lasts longer. And then it comes with a primer as well, which you put before you put the tape on. And then this is the actual tape. If you hit a curb or whatever, these would protect your rims and avoid any scratches. On top of that, I got this sanding block just to like smooth out the edges and make the application much more easier and smoother. I'm gonna try it out off camera first and see how that goes, and once I get the hang of it, I'll show you guys like the process. So this is my rims. I'm gonna go and buff around this just so that I get it smoother, like. Right, so I'm using the wiper that they provided. This is like the, oh my days, these f***ing birds. I come with the primer, and I would suggest wearing gloves with this because it can get really sticky, but I don't have gloves, so it comes out in like a little sponge, and then as I go around it, I kind of squeeze it so I can get like as much product out. Right guys, once you let that primer set, you just take off the red backing tape, and it can get very sticky, so like try to keep fingers out of the way. So I start here, and then just make sure to put a lot of pressure as you go around, and obviously remove the packing tape. It has like an outer edge, so you kind of have a guideline of where to like put it on. And then just keep like, you know, putting pressure in, because that's what kind of like makes it stick. And then yeah, you pretty much do that all the way around. And then yeah, once that's all round, just like put pressure around it, and then grab little scissors and obviously try to cut like just right where you started. Now I'm just gonna go over it and just like give it a good clean, because my hands are quite dirty, so it kind of like stained the blue bits. Right guys, so that was, my hands look disgusting right now, but that was it. That was quite quick. I thought it'd take longer, but it was so easy to do, and the results just look like I freaking went to a mechanic and did it professionally. If you're just at home bored in the house, then you know what to do. My car is summer ready. I ain't summer ready, but my car is summer ready, and yeah, I just can't wait for summer, if there is a summer. Who knows, who knows. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. With my dirty hand, bruv. If you ain't got a foreign, then she
she laugh at you. Malibu, Malibu, spending daddy's money with the ass.